Hi, today I'm here with my iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'll show you how to unlock number on this device. So first let's open the settings application and let's scroll down to phone application. So let's find phone app and click it here. After that you'll see here blocked contacts. Tap to this section and here we can see all the available contacts in our blacklist. To remove one from this number or to remove a couple of numbers in one click, we should click here to edit on the right upper corner and just click here to this minuses and tap to unblock. By this way we can remove all of the numbers, and just then to save the changes we should click to done. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.